How to launch your own mobile app. Success tips. In the world of business, it's really a tough thing to do to launch your own business. And when we talk about tech products, it's an even tougher way to do that. Today, we offer you some tips on how to launch your own mobile app and, of course, stay afloat. What app should you make? First of all, you have to remember that in order to launch a successful app, you have to follow the next questions. First of all, will your app cause excitement? The next one, will my app serve a definite purpose? And the last one, will my app make the lives of my users easier? First of all, how to make my app really good? Make a plan. Consider a business strategy. Without strategy, nothing works well. And you don't have to obviously put just a 300-page novel. No, just make some sketches and follow them. This way, you'll have success. Make sure you fix the bugs. No one likes bugs. So, before launching a stable version of your app, consider to hire some testers. And these testers better not to be your clients. Watch your competitor. What are the ups and downs of the app you are competing with? Listen to your target audience. Listen to their reviews and the feedback because it can tell you a lot. And what are your users complaining about? Just listen to them and they'll tell you a lot about the ideal app they want to see. Build credibility and loyalty. Of course, when people download your app, that is a great thing, absolutely tremendous. But nevertheless, what is really better is when they keep it on the phone. You know, to achieve this thing, you have to build really credible image of yourself. So try to focus on that matter and you'll definitely succeed. And the last one is just simplify your app. You know, no one would like a 30-minute boring tutorial. So if your app is understandable, then it is usable. But how to actually make people download my app? First of all, you have to maximize your audience. Because if your app is available for Android only, for example, why not make it available for iOS? Just consider the market, because the wider audience you have, the wider your perspectives. Then consider marketing campaign. You know, just advertising is everything, and you may invest even in a really small ad, but later it will lead you to a greater profit. The more people see your ad, the more they talk about it. The more they talk about it, the greater success you have. Make it free. Making your app available for the better part of the audience is a really great thing for your business. Otherwise, you can make just two separate versions where one of them is paid for, or you can implement some premium features, for instance. Nevertheless, avoid being greedy. Give your users the experience they want. And the last one is, you should know your market. Do a little research, a little analysis to see whether your market, your target market, is oversaturated or not. So if you have some similar apps, which are similar of course to your app, think about it twice, whether you should do that or you shouldn't launch your app. Now, some more tips on how to make your app successful. First of all is not to sit on it. Rush it up immediately or someone else will do it. You know, you don't need to underestimate your market and your competitors, because same ideas, same great ideas can come just to several minds at the same time. Then make a fuss around your product. You know, the pre-launch period is really crucial for your app. You have to make people want it, you have to make them wait for it. Share some photos, make some videos, post some articles. This way you will gain their confidence, their interest, and you won't lose anything. And the last one is you can make betas and alphas if it is possible. So if you are not sure about your app completely yet, or if you want to implement some new features, you can just make a beta or an alpha version of it. Just make sure that your app type is really suitable for it, because there is really no point in implementing just a beta version for a really simple game app, for instance. We in ZenBit Tech know for sure that implementing new ideas to life is not a really easy thing to do. But that is why we founded our developers team to help you achieve your dream, your app dream, your tech dream. And if you have some questions, you can always ask us to help you in achieving your dream.